What's up, guys? We got another unboxing with the Western Digital Elements 4 terabyte external hard drive. Decided to give this a shot. My other hard drive is a little smaller, so it gives me some room to expand. Let's pop it open and see what we got. Okay, box empty. Interesting little plastic case. And we've got the hard drive itself. It's actually not that big considering the size it is. Technology has come a long way. I think my last hard drive was bigger than this, and I don't even think it was a terabyte, but that was probably 10 years ago. And then we got the cable. So standard hard drive cable and the documentation, which tells people how to use an external hard drive. If you don't know how to use an external hard drive, I suggest you Google it, because I'm not going to go over that here, because that's not the point of this video. All right, again, this was the Western Digital Elements 4 terabyte hard drive. Thanks for watching.